Good morning, BIS 302. Let's take a look at Module 4. But first, Module 3, guys are doing great. Really pleased. Scores look good. Overall, as classes I have looking great, and that doesn't even include the extra credit for watching these videos, so that's pretty sweet, huh? Yeah, I've spoken to 88% of my BIS 302 students, so I hope you all are set up with your project, topic, statement, problem, what have you. So that's great. Worksheet 3, I'll be getting to that tomorrow, I think. I'll be scoring those. But obviously with lit reviews due tonight, doesn't give you the greatest idea. So tell you what, for those of you who are watching this video, and just send me, well, I'm going to give you some of my normal, cookies, or let's call them Easter eggs today. I think that's what they're called anyways, right? So I want you to just write, one thing you can put on there is, let's say Wednesday, April 4th, right? April 4th, Wednesday. If you're watching this video, you get an extension till April 4th on your lit review. Just gotta email me my 3 cookies I'm gonna give you and extension, the word extension, and I'll give you that. Okay. So all right. Now, when you email me, please use your section number and email me only from ASU email. Okay. I'm not supposed to be answering any other email that comes in. If you're having trouble with your responses coming back on your personal email, maybe check with the ASU help desk on that. But especially on your initial emails, make sure you send them to me on your ASU email, because that's where I'll send you everything. Regarding your section number, remember, either in 19701, 32487, or 29748, right? Let's see. No, yeah, 29478. Okay, great. Know your section and send me. Make sure you tell me who you are in your section. All right. If you're having problems, let me know what your concentrations are too. It helps me to know that, of course. All right. So onward. All right. So module 4. Lit reviews. All right. Yeah, I don't want you overly stressing on lit review. Okay. I don't want you stressing on anything like this. Okay. It's all. It's meant to be rigorous. It's not meant to be stressful, okay? Some stress is good, of course, okay? It makes us perform better at a higher level. And in this course, I really want to see my students step up their game, okay, in terms of your your concentrations and your academics and scholarly work, okay? This isn't about, finding the best shortcut. This isn't shortcut class, okay? So moving forward, let's see. So if you're having trouble with getting sources or anything, let me know. But I think you guys can handle it, right? All right, Module 4 preview. You got some readings to do that are Chapter 4 and 5. It's only 62 pages put together. And then take a look at the research packet for proposals and final papers. If you're doing a survey online, you do not need to do informed consent forms, okay? There's a rubric for your proposal. That's what you're going to be working on next. Take a look at the rubric and see what I'll be looking for, right? Then there's 3 samples you can take a look at, even if it's quantitative or qualitative. Look at the general format. It's going to give you a lot of context about how your paper should be looking for the proposal. Take a look at that research packet for the proposal, and it's going to give you, an idea about the general format of it. You're going to be writing in future tense because you're actually proposing to do the research. Okay, there's no data, collection involved or anything in this part. Okay, there's no analysis, but look and see what is involved in your proposal. Okay. So you're going to read about that, and let's see, there's some presentations, and look at the samples. I'm going to go over the samples again and make sure they're decent. No sample is perfect, by the way, so they're all going to have some issues, but I want you to get a good idea about what you're looking at there. The presentations are 46 minutes long. You can handle it, along with a linked reading. There's presentations about proposal, ethics, sampling, measurement, and tool development, and something about the Tuskegee Airmen, and a video on the Milgram experiment. These are really good foundational issues to learn about when you're talking about research, okay? Then we get into the worksheets. You got 3 worksheets to do this week. Worksheet 4 is, I have it here somewhere. Okay, chapter 3 methods. Oh, that's the method worksheet is in there also. The methodology worksheet is in there, and that you got that one. You got the where's worksheet 4? I'm coming up with every worksheet except the right one. Worksheet 4. Okay, the introduction chapter. It's going to help. What these worksheets are going to do is help prompt you and get you going on your writing, which is all going to be transferred to the proposal, like the lit review, and then these worksheet information goes into the proposal, and then that also becomes part of your final paper. So nothing you're doing should be real redundant, okay? Stick with if we discuss the topic and the questions, stick with that. You don't have to reinvent the wheel here. You just go with what we talked about. If it's what are some of the blankety blankety blank regarding blankety blank revealed in a survey of random adults, boom, that's it, okay? It's a big part of everything. That's your cover. All right? Okay, so we've got that. And then we got a variables worksheet. That's worksheet 5. Just 2 questions. You can identify some variables you have to consider and some strategies how you deal with the variables. Okay? You should get information on how to do that through the readings. And if you have any trouble, shoot me an email. Okay? But should be good to go there. All right. Wow. Opening up some windows here I've never seen. Okay, so onward and upward, we got the readings, and then we have quiz. Okay, quiz is coming up. That's going to be, I'm going to open it up, tell you what it is, because I can take it a million times here. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, this is just about the work you're doing right now. So do the worksheets before you do the quiz. Okay, do the readings and the presentation before you do the quiz. Don't do the quiz first. You're probably gonna, blow it. Question-wise, there are 20 questions, 3 points each, and multiple choice, all of them. Okay, talking about qualitative research, quantitative research, hypothesis statements, lit reviews. Let's see what else are they talking about here. That's about it. A little bit about the research, demographics, populations, samplings, sample sizes, things like that. Man, that's a tough quiz. No, it's not. All right, so we got that, and then the quiz ends the week. All right, we're going to be talking about surveys. Like next time, I think I'm going to help you, show you how to do some hacks on surveys so that you can go to SurveyMonkey, sign up for that, or Typeform, whatever. I've done both. I'm on SurveyMonkey right now. That's one I'll be using to show you guys how I get around that 10 question limit. Okay, I mean it's still going to be 10 questions, but I have ways. There are ways to ask questions within questions, so that you can actually ask 15 questions in a 10 question survey. Okay. Other than that, like I said, don't stress. Wow. Okay, I forgot my Easter eggs, didn't I? All right. Here's one. Green. All right. Green. 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 So you can send me extension if you want to go to Wednesday. Send me green. Okay. And then let's see, what else do I have here? Yeah, if you have any questions, the lit review, like I said, lit review, what you should be doing is looking for primary sources, primarily, okay, instead of secondary sources, which you can use secondary sources, but don't rely on them completely because they're just, they're taken as secondary sources. So primary sources should be, be direct research or some kind of paper that's peer reviewed, and it resonates with your study. It can justify your study, challenge it, conflict with it. However it is, you're taking pieces of that literature and showing how that resonates with yours, okay? So if you were doing a survey, a study on, let's say, home buying, and you find some research that just doesn't seem to fit because it's either too narrow or too broad, well, you can take the narrow and make it fit a narrow part of your study, okay? So, you know, while Smith and Jones found that, um, you know, minorities had less of an opportunity to get mortgages than the general population, you know, the current research may show that as well. Okay, I mean, it's almost as simple as that. Okay, so it's a narrow going into a broad, and the broad topic you can just take down to a narrow point. Let me know if you have any questions on that. Okay, next color is red. Okay, so now you know what color to add, red, and then we'll, like I said, we'll work on the surveys. Have a good holiday. If you're watching this video, you get to email me extension, and I'll give you till Wednesday at midnight to get your lit review in with no late fee or extension fee. All right, so have a great day. I guess I'm pushing 12 minutes here. Sorry about that. Last Easter egg is blue. Okay, send me those, you guys. You can tell I do these in one take now. I'm sorry. I got things to do today too. Okay, have a good day, and talk to you soon. Bye.